To get started with using the Match Table Grid question type, click the blue plus to add a new question. Then, select Match Table Grid. To begin, start by typing your question. To edit your column titles, click in the text bar and begin typing your column's title. If you would like to add another column, click the blue plus bubble on the right-hand side. To edit your row titles, click the row title text bar you wish to edit and begin typing. To add another row, simply click the blue plus in the bottom left of the grid. If you would like to remove a column or row, click the red minus bubble to remove the appropriate column or row. To set your answer key, simply click to indicate the correct grid selection for each row. To automatically give your students partial credit if they get some of the answers right, toggle on Allow Partial Credit. Now that our Match Table Grid question is ready to go, let's see what it looks like from the student side. To answer, students click the grid bubble to select their response. To change their answer, they simply need to click on their new choice.